There is no justice.
Pardon me?
There is no justice.
The trial of Quebec man Pierre Ny St-Amand, the bus driver accused of plowing into a Laval daycare, killing 2 children and injuring 6 others, came to an end Tuesday after 2 days of presenting the facts and expert testimony. Here at the Laval courthouse, Dr. Sylvain Fauché was the second psychiatrist to testify and found that Ny St-Amand should not be held criminally responsible for his actions on February 8, 2023, saying that he experienced a psychosis that prevented him from understanding his actions and that we'll never know why he committed them. The conclusions upsetting to some of the parents present in court.
Basically, they were trying to justify his action by his past. But we all have a past. We all deal with different stuff, but basically he was trying to justify everything he did.
In the courtroom, 53-year-old Ny St-Amand, who pleaded not guilty, wore a blue t-shirt and was expressionless, listening to the accounts of his mental state. Dr. Fauché told the court if it was an impulsive, voluntary act, it would be difficult to explain why he undressed before seeing the consequences of his actions.
He never talked about it to no one, so they're just trying to figure out what happened.
Mélanie Goulet's daughter was injured in the crash, and she says she's disappointed by the lack of a full trial and the ability to have a voice in it.
Because there would be more than 2 persons that would impact the outcome of the situation. Because right now, the 2 persons that have like an impact are the 2 psychiatrists that weren't there on site, and they didn't experience anything, and they will change everything in the outcome.
On the same day of the closing of the trial, Pierre-Luc Gauthier, the father of Jacob, who was killed at the daycare, published an open letter in La Presse denouncing the lack of mental health support for indirect victims of the tragedy like Jacob's sister, as Ny St-Amand is detained at the Philippe Pinel Psychiatric Institute.
We receive a lot more than we all do.
Yes.
Like it's been 2 years now. He's been like in a facility with
doctors.
A really big team. And everything is for his recovery. What about us? What about the kids?
The Crown and defense jointly presented the facts and recommended that the judge find the accused not criminally responsible. Superior Court Judge Eric Downs will make the final decision on April 29th. In Laval, Alyssia Rubertucci, City News.